Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bean salad using canned beans. First, select your favorite canned beans, such as black beans, chickpeas, and kidney beans, ensuring a good variety for texture and taste. Remember to rinse and drain them thoroughly under cold water to remove any excess sodium and improve their flavor. Next, prepare your fresh vegetables like diced bell peppers, red onion, and corn, cutting them into small, manageable pieces. This initial preparation is key for a delicious salad. Now, let's create a vibrant dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together about 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and a teaspoon of dried oregano or fresh dill. You can also add a pinch of sugar or a drizzle of honey for a touch of sweetness. Once your dressing is ready, gently combine the rinsed beans, chopped vegetables, and the dressing in a large mixing bowl. Ensure everything is evenly coated for maximum flavor. To truly enhance the flavors, cover your bean salad and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows all the ingredients to meld together beautifully, creating a more cohesive and delicious taste. Before serving, give it a quick stir and taste. Adjust the seasonings as needed, adding more salt, pepper, or a splash of vinegar to suit your preference. A final garnish of fresh parsley or cilantro adds a lovely touch and brightens the presentation. Your homemade bean salad is now ready to enjoy. It makes a fantastic side dish for barbecues, a light and healthy lunch, or even a quick snack. For best results, consume it within 3 days, storing any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator. And speaking of staying healthy, remember to keep yourself hydrated throughout the day. For a great way to do that, check out the Owala water bottle link and other fantastic deals in the description below. Enjoy your delicious and easy bean salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.